We are so excited today that you get to see the Chardon Polka Band.
That's one of the great struggles that we face in the public school system, is having live performances for these children, to gather them all up, put them on buses, take them into the city. Logistically, it's a nightmare. Cost-wise, it's unbelievable. Not to mention the safety factor of taking all these children. It's just not feasible. It's just not workable. So the answer is, well, we just don't do it. But to have you come in, to have a live group come in and perform for the children, it brings it to them without them having to leave, or the safety issues, logistics, and at a fraction of the cost too. It's brilliant.
The banjo is part of the string family. His banjo's got 4 strings on it. 4 strings on it. And can y'all guess what those strings do when he strums them? That's right. Those strings vibrate, and when they vibrate, they create... You guys are catching on.
The band was totally aligned with what I'm teaching in the classroom. I was so excited to hear tempo was going to be a discussion, because that's what we hit early in the year.
All right, now we're going to do one more tempo. It starts with the letter A. Allegro.
Especially the different tempo markings were exactly what I use. The kids knew it, they were excited, like, oh wait, I know this.
All right, get ready, here comes Allegro!
Allegro!
So I really like the fact that today you were showcasing woodwinds, percussion, string instruments, showing them the different instruments, what they sound like, but it really just tied in beautifully with what they learn in their music classes.
You've got another instrument in front of you. What's this? Oh, you guys know it. Now, where's the reed on it?
I got texts from friends who are teachers on staff well into the night about how their children could not stop talking about it. My favorite one was, a friend of mine said, she sounds exactly like me when I get back from a concert. Just all excited and can't think of anything else.